Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be revisiting an old project I did a while back. It was a business card holder, and this project's going to be a little special because this is for a Christmas present that I'm hoping to get done before the Christmas party. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another set of wheels to this. I'm going to extend the cab a little bit and kind of just dress it up a little bit more. I'm going to add a bumper to it and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, there it is. Real happy with it, like I am every time I do these trucks, and I add different features to them and learn a little bit more about the craftsmanship on these trucks. I've built a lot of these trucks over the past years, but every time I build something new, I look back at it and I think I want to try to make that better next time, and I definitely did on this little business card holder. So there it is, and I'm thinking it's going to be a really nice Christmas gift at the Christmas party. Thanks an awful lot for watching.